How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode I'm starting it late at night and it's really cold, but I'm gonna show you how to replace the license plate light for an LED. So here in the Honda Accord, that little bulb for the license plate, I'm gonna replace it because when I was painting the back, when I was painting the bumper, and I paint this part black, I remove it, but the little clip get damaged. In order for you to remove it, you gotta go here inside, and just with the flathead screwdriver you can push the clip and pull it out. In this case, I did that, but actually I broke the clip. So in this case, I broke the clip and I put a little metal clip on it just to hold it in place, but it was hanging. So before I replace it, I'm gonna show you the difference between the regular bulb, the LED that I have, and the new one. The new one is gonna look a lot better. So let me show you. Right here I have the new one, which is all LED. It is amazing. It's gonna look really good on the car. Pure LED and brand new. So that's the new one. This is actually the clip that I break when I tried to remove it the first time. And in here I have a bunch of LEDs. You guys know that I'm an LED guy, so I have plenty. I have LEDs for days. But I know that here I have some regular bulbs. I'm gonna put that one first, show you the difference between the LED, showing you the difference between the regular LED and this new one. This one is gonna be really bright. So that's what we're doing on this episode. Also, the second part of this episode is gonna be my LED strip. It's not working on this side. It works on this side, but for some reason it's not working in here. The turn signal worked, but the white LED is not working. So tomorrow I'm gonna remove the bumper and I'm gonna fix that. Let's see what's the problem on it. Hopefully just a cable get loose, but we gotta go into that. And this part of the episode, I'm just gonna show you the LED on the license plate, and tomorrow we're gonna finish it up by fixing this, which I think I know what it is, but tomorrow we're gonna go in deep to see what's the problem on it. So we have the lights on, and that's the LED that I have right now. But let me put the stock one first, and then we can see the difference. So I had the case right here. It has two clips to remove the cover, and the cover is really old. You know, it's 17 years old. So this is the LED. Let's remove it. Let's put the stock one first, and then we'll do the, and then we'll check the difference between these two. If you can see right there, that's the stock one. It looks awful. You can barely see the light on the license plate. See there? Now let me put the LED so you can see the difference. LED. Now with the LED, it looks a lot better. You can see a lot more light output from that one, but I know we can do better than that. You can see right there the new one. Pure LED. This one is gonna look amazing. So, yeah.
Like it.
Thank you.
Did you do the hood?
Sticker bump.
You did that?
Yeah, this is all wrap. I wrap it black. Because the painting looks awful. So all the car is gonna be black, but the sticker bump is gonna be this painter and the hood sticker bump.
You did a good job on that wrap.
Yeah, I mean it's not easy because man, it's not easy.
Yeah.
It's a pain in the ass. But you can see there is a lot of noise around here, guys. Sorry about that, but you can see the new LED is connected. We're just gonna put it in So we got it in, you can see it's right there, and you're gonna see how bright it is. You see that right there? There you go, guys. And now this one is a lot brighter now. You can see the difference right there. If you can see the old one, not a lot of light output on the old one, so we can throw this away. We don't need it no more. Now we have our new LED. Look at that, super bright. So that's the first part of this episode. Okay guys, so now you see the front. We're gonna fast forward to tomorrow, and then we're gonna start working on this light. And we back at it, guys. This is the next day, and if you can see, my turn signal works, but not the white LED. You can see that one is working, my demon eye is working, LED is not working. On this side, you can see the LED is on, demon eye is on, everything's on, but the white one on the other side is not. So this one is not working. I'm gonna remove the bumper, go to the cables, and see what causing the damage. Probably just a loose wire, so I'm gonna go and check that out. I didn't remove it all the way, so we just gotta get to this headlight. You can see here, these are the cables for the strip LED, and the red one, which is the white one, the white LED on it, came apart. So we have to solder that wire, and that's gonna be easy. I have my little tool right here to solder, and this episode is not sponsored. Whatever you see here, I pay with it with my own money. And I have my electrical repair solder. So this one is gonna be for electrical. There is different types for pipes, for electrical, for wires. So you gotta get the right one. This one is really soft, so we don't have to do a big job soldering that cable right there. So that's why I just picked this one. I'm not gonna go in full detail on how to solder. If you wanna go and get more information on this topic, I'm gonna put in the description of this episode one of the best tutorials that is out there, Chris Fix. He's gonna show you everything about soldering, and I'm gonna put that episode right there so you can go and see it. In this case, this job is really easy, really simple. I'm just gonna fix that cable, and then we're gonna have the LED running again. My connection is ready. My solder gun is almost good to go. We're gonna start working on this. Have everything ready for it. Okay, now that one is connected. It's really hard to work with two hands only and holding that cable. But now that that is connected, I'm just gonna put more material in it so it stays in place. I also noticed the yellow cable is about to come out. It's about to break, so we're gonna fix that right now too. Okay guys, so this job is ready. Everything looks good now. I'm gonna try the light, see if they work. It's really difficult to work only with two hands and try to put these cables back on it. But if you can see, everything is good. This Saturn gun is really cheap, but it gets the job done in case you wanna do small jobs like this. All this stuff that I use for this episode is gonna be in the description, so you can just click those links. You can go to Amazon directly and get those stuff. There you go. LED works again. Let me turn the turn signals, see if they work too. Switch back is looking good. The strip LED works good. Now I wanna put everything back together, put electrical tape and seal everything up. Okay guys, so that's it for this episode. And if you can see right here, we have more goodies. Right now I'm working with a company called Evil Energy on Amazon. They send me a lot of stuff. Something really good is coming because right now I'm working with them. On the next couple episodes, I'm gonna show you something related to the wheel bearings on the front. You can see everything is ready back on the car. Lights working, everything works fine. So I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.